Hey, this is Pierre, founder at CreativeWiz, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create 1 week of LinkedIn post content in less than 5 minutes. So let's dive in. So let's go to creativewiz.co, click logged in. Once you're logged in, you're going to arrive on this page. The first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings tabs, go to context, and basically over here, you'll be able to give context to the AI. So it will give better results. So, for example, a business website, a link in bio, anything that can help the AI understand who you are. Once this is done, if you have a newsletter, you will just go over here, put your RSS feed so that all your episodes are automatically synchronized with the platform. So let's get back to the ideation part. So here, the first feature is the post generator. So you'll be able to generate a post based on a draft, an idea or a topic, a newsletter that you have already published or that is on the way, or start from an article. So let's start with an idea or topic. Here, I'm going to put as a post type introspective, post category personal reflection. Here, the topic or idea. So starting a business is hard. It's like climbing a mountain. And I have the choice between generating the post using a template. So if I go here and select a template, I have different kind of templates. So here, for example, about myth, or I can take one that is learning. But I'm gonna start with a style. So here I'm gonna put Justin Welsh, generate LinkedIn post, and you're gonna see the post being generated on the fly over here. Starting a business hard, it's like climbing a mountain that seems impossible to conquer, etc., etc. So this is the full post. My advice is to click several times on generate LinkedIn post so you can have actually different posts to choose from. Once this is done, you can click on schedule posts, pick the date over here, for example, 24th. Yeah, 4 o'clock is good, and schedule. Once this is scheduled, you're going to see your posts appear on the calendar over here. So this is where all your posts will appear. So this is my post I have just generated. Let's get back to the ideation parts. So here, if you don't have any idea of what to post, there is the ideation generator part. So what you would do is give a theme that is related to you. For example, I like to talk about solopreneurship, and let's say startup. So here I can click generate. So here are the ideas, solopreneur networking guides. So I'm gonna click over here. The idea is directly filled for us. I can click Justin Welsh style, and here I have the post directly generated. So you saw it took 5 seconds to create a new post. Solopreneurship can feel isolating, but networking doesn't have to be difficult. Here are 4 strategies, so you can, of course, modify the post as it is generated. Now, if you have a newsletter, this is where the tool is like super powerful. This is my latest episode, building a product from scratch, the no-code revolution. So over here, you have a button also to extract ideas from the newsletter. So here are all my ideas that I talked in my newsletter. I just need to pick one that I like. So let's say, for example, mistakes in landing page design over here, and same thing. For the newsletter, like all the images from the newsletter are automatically extracted. So you just have to select one that you like. Here, I will use a style. So I'm going to use Laura Acosta style and generate the post. So same thing, you're going to see the post being generated on the fly based on like the initial idea, but also the content of your newsletters. Okay, so now we're going to see how we can create reusable styles that we can apply to any generated post. So let's get started. So we're going to go to the templates and style section over here. You're going to see there are some presets styles that are already created for you, but the goal is to create our own style. So we're going to click over here Just put a title. So my writing style, inspirational. So as an example, I'm going to take Mary. So I'm going to go to her LinkedIn. She has a very specific style, a lot of listicles, very inspirational posts. So I'm going to be using her as an example. So you're going to click over here, post example. You just need to put 3 or 4 posts to give to the AI, so it will understand how the posts are actually structured. I'm going to take this one over here. 3 posts is enough. So you see it's super quick. And this one. Try to take posts that have kind of the same structure, so the AI can actually understand how everything is written. So now I'm going to click save. So here I can put a little description, Mary's style. Okay. So now I'm going back to the ideation part. Over here, I'm going to select an idea. So startups, branding essential, for example. And here you're going to see the style that I have just created. So we can use it to generate the post, and you're going to see the post is being generated using Mary's style. Okay, so if we see the post over here, you see that we have the same kind of listicle that she's using in her own style, the same structure. So it's really, really impressive, and that can work with any kind of style. I hope you really enjoyed this demo. CreativeWiz is a tool that may help you gain a lot of time during the week, helping you repurpose the content that you already have so you don't do the work twice. It's free to sign up. You can, no credit card required. So test it and let me know what you think.